everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Potbelly employee account. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Go open your web browser first and then type in Potbelly employee login and search. Click on this link from the search results and then sign into your account by entering your email address in the text field. After you do that, tap on continue. Now enter your password on the next page. Make sure to enter the correct password in order to log in. In case you've forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password link right below the Submit button. Follow the instructions and you'll be able to reset your password to a new one. Now tap on Submit and you'll be logged into Potbelly employee account. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.